Tanya pona pon ya kuga na maono noge
Evia Malaysia mukata so Malaya Amama baba bana mala Tanya pona ya kuga na maono ale Tanya fama kwai kunya bana na maono noge Evia Malaysia mukata so Malaya Amama baba bana mala Tanya fama ya kuga na maono oh baba nyaba gajeye nyaba gajeye lokonya dizumaga wade oh baba nyaba gajeye nyaba gajeye lokonya dizumaga wade alele Tanya fama pa ya nyaba na maono mogolo Evia Malaysia mukata so amane ya mure
Karibu.
Amano baba bana mala Tanya fama ya kubana na maono alele Tanya fami kwa ya kubana na maono mogolo
alagbe papa
Malaysia mukata so amane ya mure Amano baba bana mala Tanya fama ya kubana na maono America matuo 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 alala Tanya fama pa ya kubana na maono mogolo ya Malaysia mukata so amane amano baba bana mala Tanya fama pa ya kubana na maono alala Tanya fami pa jonya bana na maono mogolo oh ya Malaysia mukata so amane amano baba bana mala Tanya fami pa ya kubana na maono oh baba nyaba gajeye loka nyaba gajeye lokonya dizumaga wade oh baba nyaba gajeye loka nyaba gajeye lokonya dizumaga wade alele Tanya fama pa ya kubana na maono mogolo Evia
Alright, me haven't told Kenya Salome, we always have Ingba TV. Egbe, ya mamle da leti we the keben keke bla fevo asike beke hajila konko dele gonye ko ho mega ngolbe o lefe Ingba TV nkonye enya wisdom keke do Valentine Kofi Ayite DJ Pressure I am the ultimate supremacy DJ. Asin, you are welcome.
Yo, thank you, boss.
Okay, yo.
Follow Charlie. Really.
I don't know so we action boy. Ta egbe ejile we to na de ku nya sala o let me say nya.
Okay. My brother Action Boy. Enye nko ike me chole music man. Abe hajiji.
Okay.
The Action Boy me ko Action Boy acho 2011.
2011. Okay.
2011.
Level o je haji so 2011.
My brother me jago me cho abofufu wakpaji.
Okay.
Ta me no de vimela.
Okay.
Ya abofufu me no abofu. We ya me no awudedu. Ya ongolo da wo fakota be action.
Okay.
So ya ne me adoko kola o be action doko ya me ko boy akokpe dem.
All right.
Da ya ko bazu.
That's the action boy. So Charlie like everything me dey fikato no no.
Okay, ma bolo me nya agoti me to. Agoti me beto pra kokofo.
Okay. Okay. Agoti me pete pra kokofo.
Ta me dogbera me sa me ke agoti me beto pra kokofo.
Okay, agoti me to action boy ya vi ebe dogbera vi. So action look kai na be ogeje hajiji me.
Okay, ma bolo be ma ofa men beve ela be nu ike me nyento me toyi. Ya na be me va geje hajiji. Me enu na onyele menye.
Okay.
Eye le jogbenyo to me ha fufu nyen koya nke onye le ipi
choir master.
Yeah, choir master onye le ipi.
Okay.
Yeah, so afuma le ya o no koya o leading.
Okay.
Ta ke cover gym la Yento ha me like I just for the church. That fuma le ko ya me start pete ko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was 2016. Ya me start the Hajj Jakarta.
Okay. So you started Uche Hajj le FA at we adeliam okay
we adeliam
ta ho je hajiji make I motivate you be motivate make I do so action like olela ele very good continue hajiji make I do so
okay maglobe ke meje goma ele nya tepe mela obe ha gbevu ko ejina ha Form 1.
Okay.
I'm start freestyle more the GHS. Salvation Army. Ele godopi ho. Yeah, tafuma me start never school the dele. Tameno Form 1. Yako beje a cappella no.
Okay.
Tamedo Form 3 a
cappella I feel one
freestyle. I bear them bit over hamo. Yeah, Shatawale like biting like mighty. Yako be start shafuma. Tamedo Form 3 le 2019.
Okay.
Fuma le anje pe friends ole suku. Yobe no be le kemele la ko be jido for la signata yo le megbena
okay
tamayi ma no award mo me no video kwa ya fuma le ma ko award scheme de kade ke obe voter legendary award school view award do
okay I think me le stage kemiji your previous video
nyatepe that was last year
okay
yeah because me me to fuma vaita
okay
you invite me yeah ta fuma le ko ya ya me no vonkra ya that obo me the headmaster bo the headmaster lo we ko ayebe wa go be mi va su mi va le musuro yin ya ozo mi headmaster bo be de ya eta me be me le hajita no pere su kono kaka mi headmaster ko mi atu
okay
into ka wo
support
me be so yom cover worship van go be the hajiji be talent la ya ta abese me support ike na de ke wo no tafuma le ya hope vale fiti yeah
watanwe
yo beti yako vo fuma le ku ya majesty do yi kama bro Krisonga ya me bound to get from studio
all right Krisonga
wa
be ya che hajila
papa
okay
papa be do gbera fisa fi
yo bi amonu kola ya mi bi say action boy be enu megbe mi agoti me fi nu be le efe atefele bala fe we adele me efe atefele we adele me ya je hajiji ya me be ready like be kai motivate alo you be motivate but like on ya be kai motivate be let get je haji o chale nuke wole watan we continue mi onu be iton krache itonto kwa master sibeke be sukutato le sukwache deji for na be nuke wile ya to action haketo wana how will you describe the music haketo wana like wako fulucho nemi fide
okay wa globe haike bo wona enye tanya meton ya nye ha nke me ko wona ha
okay
gbambe ma hono no amu ma dojijo na mu
okay
eyi magafia fodo fa mu
na hono no amu
na dojijo na mu agafia fodo fa mu
I think that's very very nice
nenema ya be ni be ha gedeola ni ke me meto ya u be ko fo na pe yozu na hakata ta ne mai ya mo ko na nyefe ha ta yin to na nyefe ha
win to mo na
yin to nyefe
america ba mo na ha na obe
na oje
like seriously
yes
so action me obe hade me say obe by his grace
yes please
by his grace and like o jope o thank pa hakimi na tanya be by his grace
okay agbo by his grace la ma kwa men bebe me ala be nuike memetu le 2016 makaka ba se 2018 na
okay
bo fa men bebe ya tane po chorus la obe ya tane po ngbede make you no be surprise
okay
all these things you dey see e be by the grace of God
okay
e po ngbede mega won kuna ntila ya ko melegba mo fa men bebe
okay
ala be nucho de jije ta ya na ya me ko title by his grace ba go be hamanton be kwa me Eugene be wish me wally
okay
ta go be le voter region anyi wo na ewe version
okay
yeah
kwa me Eugene wish me well
the ewe version ala enyewe ta ma go be keme be pasku be patu school gina fa me ya ko hano di dile ta me na
okay
wish me well ko do matatre afuma le ame trade be me
okay mi abe hajila gare change abe mango be Mr. Drill but tobe I would play me wa hare change me
really ya de
like kadudu kale me Mr. Drill
ma bebe Mr. Drill fe gududu la men
okay
ela be kafimia o hamala mi nyepe one member chatty ya o chat be team member de be ne ya type ha Kenya case la ejibe mi ajam deji yo bo woki ta fuma le ona mi o voice recording ile phone ji kododa lyrics I will say oh it's fine that nya tawo ona me
say Mr. Drew
okay yo CPT ya ona mi the open verse ya mi studio mi bawe after mi bawe la ni me nya tepe mo pe no na la me de kama tanya but because kaka medidio less than 1 year ko yakwa ya hohwe ono Easter show who ya o deji ko yakwa dan ha deji ike me nya bela the manager of the show la enya how like enya how the manager of the show I contact bo le play that me ba do ha me ba perform for krako open antola e ba fu da ya mi ba do bo male ya mi have
ever fu very
like ever enjoy yeah ma ba enjoy joy because that's the first time we meet don't know how I can meet face to face yeah ta fu male ya mi do boku enjoy
okay so action le music industry alo ho gede hajijime nuka onye nupeke mo ho to le hajiji alo emome
okay ma gbe he enugba to yen studio we recording I will have fun anya say agene me studio ya na de kemeli atano dina mo ga ke na me studio ba record yo na me de leta mani manya
alright
na me de le boga tanga manya so agobe enugba to ikenye problem pala yanyi recording le ka ba record ha le studio la yanyi ganto na recording for la cafe akpe nkme promotion but me recording promotion matter ojo foundation and recording that's the first
ta anenye be ofale ha da gbaji for leko mi ko yevo be promote leke mi ko wona pe ha kakana na radio station wa lo we talk we ko ne DJ so mi pede onye mafo ha ke na wa leke
okay ma gbo be le promotion fe pajila ne e ga mala so ne de mo la ke na sa strategy yevo be strategy vo enya te fe mela engban to nye be do ki bobo da at least the see the alamisia make no analysis be about nadela do ki bobo yen gbanto e me bobo do ki wola o atawo ha fine o fe gbe manja yan se abe Beyonce kakela amede kama pede mu da ba gbe fe relationship play the media ya ina kuntala meta kon opportunities mo ke meta ina radio station to ba bona
so FM obeha o tan phone na le radio station so fete
merekui o phone
hollo alo kadudu ke help le radio to
merekui ye menya medekela ye menya medeke ne menya alo menya dugu nya pede nya kumengolo be melenemo melenemo je sai ke yamla nche mavagbo o manota obia ina dele da nche be so eto ke la signala ba ko no maguno bo e ke la signal kilomede kuku ne pede nya bo menya be mejuko evu
alright yo bien be nous parlons bientôt mais c'est bien vu action bo hecho amuganu to be to ele amuganu to ho me fifi la as I'm speaking to you gake enye agoti mevi yes agoti mevi didi ya be nko mi se ole so action obe education background like school ka o de like o ko de kaka pe fika o gali fifi life
okay agobe me yama me dongo ba me jego me show Salvation Army yeah le hodo no koji yeah kame dole fumala I'm by the St. Prosper's College Pro School yeah
so you are a product of Pro School
straightforward one thing DJ Sirucha Pro School then Rasta Boy also be Pro School yeah so me dole Pro School
okay so action
big man
ape wagene hajiji keme na abe nyatomenya Chief One Kini Eyes Pese Boy then co ne ameketo fete mon popo fa na obe ameketo amede de odometo de gabe ya he de wi abe matpa hakpele aro ya o hakpele meka won to acholo mi as I said and we have Koki there
oh yeah okay agolobe no we ma choose ameleme okay you know your godfather your godfather o go do your godfather ma go do your godfather
so chacho wale me sese na
sse ya sse kuku kwe I go do ma for them a big shout out to Ladi na Plau Chairman.
Okay, Guinea is.
Asia.
Okay, so Guinea is the first ceremony to Lefebvre TV.
Yeah.
Actually, boy, big shout out going out to you. We salute your highness, we salute your majesty.
Ewe gang. Ewe gang.
Look how likely Guinea is.
Okay, Mangolobe is someone that at first we thought Mibuna Bang any rapper.
Okay.
Like Bala, be start play rapping.
Okay.
That me used to sembo rapper typically rap. I all of a sudden go oh. Ameganya ko ba troko oh. Ama piano magana ko.
Okay.
Ameganya ko. We feel ameganya la.
Kaya ma piano.
Ama piano e ko. Ono mo foko. South Africa to ko ma be. South Africa to ko.
Okay.
Ta Mangolobe efe switching la. If a rap a plama piano mix la, it go on.
Okay.
Lay fine. We do bene. Anya dijo now.
Alright.
Be one day la. Ben you play amile in that. Yeah, play in that. Play Ewe gang boss.
Agbeshi.
Yeah, no me ke Mangolobe ya la. Agbufu fule be ma wo ha play. Ta fia enye gboko kuda ma ide studio ma recording.
Okay.
Ma kodo de.
Okay. So if you be kadodo aluka chacha
Le
Agbeshi do me pa.
Me chat in WhatsApp. I don't never chat to chat number. How are you doing? It's been a long time I may say you can call. So you play like a tight.
Alright.
Ba I'm a guy Morganero. Ya ha mi do go incho.
Okay.
Me do bene
Morganero
Nero bona.
Nero gona. You be on ko asking boy e be ni so like enye hajila ma do hajila na yebe bibi lesson de uleji bezadu na fi hede go ya jo do ba de mu jakara atangere ni aji ase
You be
no le mi abe me no be ya wa hajiji ni to ni hajila onu na bo o lawo to fu yo ye gbenu lawo to like le wo ko meje tele le ko na na o le ji la lo community du ko le ko na
Nyante fe. We veut nous be like me dole suku. Kafi. Ozube be akoha jiji ko gedemela. Oh, wala nfu gecho no ale bebe. Because mi amoya onye be mi ga che gomecho GHS.
Alright.
Tala. Oh, ne school boy ya do program de le fi bia ila obi ina srak belen me de school vo. Ta menye nya view. Ta mi amola. Kemi GHS fe email the me know the car. That me ba get the SHS la yambe aw because la ogbelebe nui ke bia wa zule chomela SHS kwa sa aje gomuchu.
Okay.
E me ta aje gomuchu SHS la kefa be o fe hope la le sui. Ta ikeme ya get SHS kula afuma le yame jenye pechi de ko build le.
Okay.
Fuma le ta ba gobe me nya bi o ko nchomu ya akeba do tepede la gomesese baba.
Okay.
Because me church yako no enyagbodi won keku because enye me church ha ye me won anu abe hajila lo ye metena de band no do menya band kuku ake metena de band no metena instrument na de kenu ake kaka manyaku ko wa gbe wo ipo dollar o ko kana mo le haji ikenya prophecy fuma le ya eno ye bafo that fuma ko ebo yako nsanto
okay just me and say
yako edidi peti ye fe go chiko didi.
All right. So action boy hamina no for fly how many years you?
Okay, my go fly. How many Andre? 7.
Okay.
Yeah, la shinya ike more featuring player America Vedo. We have a feature player Gabby Rich.
Okay.
Ye pili mi oha. Ye play Kilsonga. Ye go ye nya me gwan to ke studio.
Okay.
Ya ma no mela ye nya even kimi oha for like a digital number ni akimi wala mejibe. Papa ko ma de peta de two. Like be client to ponyi fun wole ayame la do no this boy de via la de via ele joji.
Okay.
Ela be menya view. Tamaglo mo ha client to ha.
Okay.
Ko pe de Mr. Drew ha ye pu Mr. Drew mi wa.
All right. You said only don't go be show continue.
Yes.
I think obe agbame bozake ho Dubai but obe owa that was
Yeah.
You know, so I know wa fe tanga danya.
Yeah, ya de. Ba go be ke festival fe ha. Me ngono ha cho 2019. 2019.
Ya zara nu kola ebe ngono ha cho efe akebe play we asike. Alebe efe kine ya on de ha do it.
Ya me de ha do.
Susu ata ngono ha cho fa to be we asike ni on le kaka de ku de ga to to le ko ba record ya lo nu ka won ku do afi o ha le me besi
okay ba bia nyo de ma agrobe ke me ngulo havoin suku de fe nya wo cheta
okay
ena bo mbenye ma ade togio
all right
eyi mo me hala nye fe nko me deji ya be fifia nye me kwamo o le nye video be fifia ta ya wona ma be o ma dedan okay eyi mo me hala leke ona oglo be yisukula ta ka mo ngolo habitila ejidefo like ejime no yencho be ma de do
okay
ta fuma le ya me ko me ngolo ka ko me pack agbeni adadan ta
we to ka che jidefo re
oh jidefo re wona si o dem na ihula keme gava ta no zube ke asadu do ogbonala keme gava po agbelema keme ga ji apete o ayade nyama we afiwa akede ga o le nufu cho nyeri ta o be hadiji agbo futa masro agbeleta ko me ga dedan ta fu ta keme ba yes la ya mo ne mo yes no ya godula ma ade hadu okay nka fi be corona chaba do ta asabato evo ya fuma le ga bo joga chibiti
oh okay yeah
amenye ga we ta fuma le na be ba didi ba ma glo be 2023 la meje ma we Africa ke ale ke ma ba record la ga me value
okay
ta na me ga ba dedan ta no nye cry me ba bring no nye le last year ya never ya nam jidefu be o wela hanya se we musubela no nye ya ntokelo
okay
nya se be abamevosa ha ko o nya se vinye wela mbo mele woge ta nchoke me ba ka menya ta me ba de me ba fu ne ka ko o ta ma we ya ka fi opojijo no go mo pa me baby
okay mo ba me so oni be ha imule ko danle pe atebe play we asike ne kaka metan de de ko kaka epe ke me le ke henye pe atebe to bla fa to le no kan de ha de go ale be he o fu hakile kente festival ama lo ova jira kele fi le Kenya mo be no me pude ha on la same
okay maglo be enu gbanto enye be me de ha duila efe crossare kaya o jaza gomi
okay
bo le maglo be jogbe voto malu le nyate pemela ke me de ha duila nyemetan ide ewi amale fuma ke va push hala promote ha because in the cover ba get atamena ntana be vumela nyima ado vu ifuma ai betu e pra gotimento mela ike azanje gomekula mana system wo player ha ba wano fu tabana be ike artist night ba do le Saturday la comme ba le perform kafi Saturday la Friday ya ame DJ de ko le gbom le fuma do fu ta fi mi le ya me de cover do ake Saturday ke ba le perform la akwa mu ba surprise wo eleji agba me voza so ko bela amu ba ka fi hadeli afia ka fi umenya wa
me na me freestyle le happy
okay
I got to me there go mi te ba na me freestyle happy
okay ha ele kwedalen
okay
Kete festival the big keke with the pop champagne po keke every year ele de chale this year old year is different kete no kata me do ayiko na tobi mama menyi banami minami wo the car bedu ananyo I got team away our time is up I got team away I rise and shine straight from both Kete festival LG agba me boza LG
Kete festival
LG
ta fe na se check LG okay
Kale time agbela as official song ta ne say dey ni le push be mo pa me be nya push
ezu official alo ezu ha komune asa
Kete festival LG
ke ha me chichi opete to fi opete o da gbele
obeti ono we ready the card
asi
yo
le ko be le obe nu fu mo be le ni mo ha for le ke aba record e tande na video play at times how promote ni amajeli ke tena na mo lo nto ko yen de sare ni do like you have a manager
magbe manager de kemela asinyo
okay
amede kemela kenye manager asinyo nyento
Untonye chobo hare
nyema nyento
okay
ta ke kuma gbe honye de cover do le unyela ike o hojiense unya nuke matanwo
okay
ta nemse nuke ma o medoro o ele ma we kilu Adam dele wa ko pe na ma ele ke nya zo yi nya tu de fie e kam nya wo gba ta ya we nya amiko le unye de kare ka fi meleji ta mago be manager de ke ya mela asinyo akele mo pa me veve men ma wu ya no le kulu mo pa me veve men am de ka vedo ya o le megbe na no pe kemi o cho wona vide ike mago be prophecy king legend hairstyle legend hairstyle prophecy ela ho ya me de ke ela sponsor vide e ko mago be le da papa me yin ma show kula nya pe looking nice la ele fasime
ye vo ba
appearance ele fasime ko pe de data big man data actually Guinness actually bargain shop wa me be mola onye support onye one of my sponsors ko pe de VVI Okuto madam enye seamstress ek pe na de nye to na
ape mia va Gabby Rich but probably me play me or had kaka ape mia va de Gabby Rich but ya ko Ototo le Ingba TV ale be entertainment wona alo mojaka de nya nye wona kale godo kenye amekele tajena wona nkonye nye wisdom kekele du Valentine Kofi Ayiti DJ Pressure the ultimate supremacy ale be hajila action board yele gonye le kole koma ale be bile ajedodo wokude leke oje hagoma leke ogale fifila nuka we nya ga no expect jobo le fakito ogona me yanye wona kale ji yo action Gabby Rich kadudu kale o Gabby Rich do me fika odogo ele
okay mago be Gabby Rich ye plefe gododo la nkunwe ele dome go dome kama golbe dome mi va no dome mi vous va dome le après blave vo vieme
2022
no okay blave veliame après avec blave veliame that is 2020 ta fuma le ya mi vous va dome ta fuma enye keme va dome ha nye me do now ta amegido benya be menya hajila pito tamagulo be before Gabby Rich play I do meto manya be menya hajila la o wo show dele dome school park ike ku Americans so nya ha me no show maji magolo mo fa me veve me enyenye
when we talk about Americans
our talk Black Sheriff by them Black Sheriff was just it's not me blue by ele ko legbo
so
fully completely
swasio tanto gba
mo no asinye ike magolo be enyenye the youngest artist ke perform flow first time in the history of Volta region because that's the first time the Americans
la to pete when you hajela ke tanji ha kala me kibito
ban
no
20
action
2021 that was 2021
program ka nye wana ve
enye football night final program ike Chelsea play Manchester City with the Champions League final they organize show by Poly Creative Studio ta fumale ya oda oko Americans play Chief One Gabang Kini Ice Chafinga play Lega ya le mo pa me la okonye ha ko demi tamago be la nyobete do menye youngest the visu piti
okay no pia ko no me
onya de class rep oh me ya view ya mo nko ma vana ya me perform ma da pe ne Sizila One Swiss FM una Sizila One Sizila One me do bene play Raymond Kujo Chiagbe yo nya me ko believe him ta ya wo nya me ko una o dam de shoji eye Poly Creative Studio to opojijo ta ke me perform pele o bola fimile ya dumeto be dumo won wole te ejina ha fimile ya mo waje nyanya be o majina ha fimale ya nyepel Gabby Rich la mi ba dogo ntamago we back la ya nya me ke kunam ko ina teko tatama ta tru mago be to nyejila ya spirit ha ele ya ha fimile ya haji ata nye efe hagbanto le nyepele we
leke ko wona high ya che like
yeso na play me na the interview show yo sefa concert me no sefa concert me sefa concert le host stadium I was part of the performance with Mr. D Black or I perform over there ta chofuma le ya Gabby Rich last spirit together me say me nya be I wish be ya jira afiu tele ko po be nyimele nchebe na fofia afo du fofia ko na wo
me ko Suzuki mi teata hakito mi pa bi o be gbavi o ye yo
era bien je no yi Hanya wa.
No nya be gafia kola.
Evo be bo yen.
Be fo ni.
Be bo mi.
Ami ko be le sigo so you kola. Wala bubu be mi le sigo fefio mi o de bi mpuna me. De bi je su kuche mi nya gba je. Ta be bubu be ye like action boy be ga be rich be have out. Ya be be to bi me nya gafo be bubu.
E be bo mi.
Okay, so action boy.
You be man.
So far so good. Program ka o tangena and stage kanye alo wona ka azakanya za pedi ke o depo yenye asa gant of it attention.
Okay. Well, me jazão san. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to be one of the biggest la. And yeah, the Americans life in who?
Okay.
Americans away. Open the biggest show all the voter region. The whole that was sponsored by Joy News, Joy Prime and GH1 TV. So I was that was where I discovered by Joy News. Yeah, so I was there live. Then I be as of the Young Festival 2023.
Okay.
I was there too.
2023.
Yeah, after the Young Festival.
Okay.
The Night with the Stars perform over there. Okay. Yeah, that was one of
so
the.
So who are those stars? So can you mention some?
Okay, like Camido.
Okay. Oh, Camido.
Yeah, Camido. Camido came. Yeah. Camido, Big Man, VRMG boss.
Okay.
I bear them.
Yeah.
It was there.
Yeah. Camido is just from.
Yeah, it's true. Okay. Camido is from who? Then Sinaso ha fe gbefu Rakero ko ba chi gbe
Sinaso e were mi anko se asumo bi mo chi gbe ko ba fe bi susu ko ba fe le mi agba le na le mi le to you know no come like le mi abe you know e hajila ke to ye be ugonye fe gbefu na ye be o le te pe this time around o jina be na you pero you know and I like making the Stone Boy umpa.
Yes.
Stone Boy is really helping the young ones and the upcoming, of course.
Yeah, which
original. Wendy Shea, congratulations. I think recently, so Wendy Shea, congratulations.
Yeah.
Listening.
And
Charlie, this news, like Haji Batpaji, American League, and I don't win the Saturday and. Nenye be amedele ififilai bitu be enye DJ Pehamo chale I want to be your money guys manye obe afodu pefiala lo manye obe pede unto oye the show there at least my sponsor my pede we play ga home there amedele si be pede we dey agbole fufu na miesi ba
oh ma gbrobe me de kuku agbole fufu
okay
me de kuku na mesi ame
ma jibe na face camera
na me de kuku na mesi ame amesi ame ke wish be yakpede kunya meli me de kuku anya mega vobe maybe na ivola ya kwes aw nye ha menye be like me dasi ata mele na do ta ya we 50-50 we ha makona de kofe godu
okay ma pressure fit ma chia
awu okay menye sigbo me de kuku na ma ta me sia me kula nya agbole vuvu na fa kwa eleke mi awe kwa mi na o video ko ayi ta menye be ma concern ko pure awu ne mo video ko nche ma do asi video ya cha do asi video da ela be ne me do asi da oyin o be like ne na ebe a wona de ne metu onto ko to kumo yin like ma ko fe fedu do mu nto fe ye fe nwa nai ya bia pede unye ta jibe ha ma ko to en ko de me ta me de ko na me se
ma do be me le me ko ta
me le sibo
okay so action I have a lot of before you continue I have my wish be dynamic some freestyles
okay
because this year that's very song featuring Mr. Drew.
Yeah, and that's case. That's case.
My team dynamic freestyle. Hello, dynamic.
Yeah. Okay. Already. Okay, case. I be make a case one. You play Mr. Drew. Okay. When things get tough, I just go on my knees and I pray to God.
Okay.
Hey, no matter what it is, and also Oluwa God is still involved.
No matter what it is.
No matter what it is, I mean, I be your whole. If I see a level.
Okay.
And you have to go in here.
Okay.
No gas says a leke ha. You who are passing a galem.
All right. Continue.
no matter what it is, I know say Oluwa God is still involved.
Okay.
Hey, I promise on my honor, say I will surely make mama proud.
All right.
So make me never be shocked if you see me today at the fly go abroad as a man. Make me never be shocked if you see me today.
If you see me today.
At the fly go abroad. And I don't know. Ela bana yo huwa yo welo.
Okay.
I kwama november yo welo. Oh Lord, please we dey give you praise. Praise.
Okay.
Yo huwa yo welo. I kwama november yo welo. Oh Lord, please we dey give you praise. Praise. Big shout out to Mr. Rio.
Okay.
Sele.
Big shout out to Mr. Rio, aka Sele. This one is coming from Action Boy to Mr. Rio, your mentor, of course.
Yeah.
So, never me call out Okotole for Impact TV, Alebe entertainment on Ayanye or Nakalego. Do Edbe, Yanye Mamma, you know, any baby look who watch it, baby Pojijo, your food be able to all works and no play, big jar and all plays and no big jar. But there is time to play and there is time to, learn, of course.
It's
and
true.
This is the time to entertain ourselves. Yata my fat boy, Lendiki Alebe, Comia Behajala Gade, Molly Home, Emily Tale, a town action.
Yo, boss.
Ape wa ada Silemiao, Nuka Wenya ube plan. Allo, Nuka Wenya no more tonale, if a top a wookie to bonami.
Okay, my brother. No, le Kevin Mezan.
Okay.
No, le Kevin Mezan. Nema lag be de mi ata kwa. Miawo gede.
Okay.
Ban yebe yebe musical show me no ma.
Yeah.
Next year agabaji. Mo ne ma odi next year la. Nya no pobeleke miawe.
Okay.
Let me chole fumala. Ma opa me beve me. Ni mo haple ewe gang boss.
Okay.
Takaka next year la. Next year go dola mawana be hama adu.
Okay.
Kemia wo hama. Kokpede one of my big boss, Lightman, Negavadi.
Okay.
It's one of my big boss. In that, pa. Tayakra, hade, mile plan wo mia wo hade le December. Ne maudi. Ta maybe atano me be Lightman ano hamaji pre gabanki. Ake amono me biabe EP. Pito odi mela sinyo na magbe de kemeliu. Ake EP a mele dodo wadem. Okay. Ne maudi 2027 na.
Okay.
Mia ko EP dobi.
Okay. Ya ko EP ko dobi. If you have how no mesa.
Ano sa. Abe 6. Yeah,
okay.
How much? EP ma title ale ku my season. That's the title. Yeah, my season. That's the title of the EP.
Okay.
That if you are dokumile yi jo no ma o da sime na mi gbogbo nchi tore kwa. Mi a record hamo. That my season is ya ele mo ji e wa wage.
All right. Action. This is we are getting close to this Christmas. And let do time kile amikito no na bitinche makpade mako afi Christmas and let do afi feji let do kleto demia no makore hada o tubo.
Yeah, maglobe le fie me petila. Maglobe ha de ka ko ma me e wonki. Yanye Kenti Festival la.
Okay.
Ta we ke fiele nu fie mi na de December me kenye letie fe nu.
Okay.
Leti susue ta maglobe dodole ke ha ye den le ke meloge. Ike maglobe mi elle hoko ta ko te ke ni studio. Ta mi le no job ko nya ko le ke mi awe takaka e fe hoko bre fe ye fe dumodume la. Mi a ade hamade hamala me have nuke Bagatti.
Okay.
Actually I got him. Bagatti any one of them. I hard rapper there.
Okay.
Me have energy. Kokpede surprise the card have again. Atanye ne Gavade Hitman.
Okay.
Lightman.
Allo
ewe gang. Allo ne me ganye ewe gang ko ha. Gabanki.
Okay.
Da document bulelo ta ojuma to the card ya nyacha awo hapita.
Godo ape
Yeah, godo ape. Enye hip hop.
Okay.
The title is Avenue.
Okay.
Igobi.
So yo, we have Nicola Ogatotole Impact TV. TV station ni kake hele amugano to we to hold me eho na ye be do nya jojo la mese fefe nya o mujaka nya o me odo yakwa akwele yata word katolemi enkonye sire kake ya nye wisdom aite kekele do Valentine Kofi alebe ajon pedi me DJ Fresh amata no be the ultimate supremacy DJ entertainment program ya nye wona kele go do ke eche na go me the memory that say memory that indinka a wo was the indinka read the k to yata what the calculate okay me the bubu gale me gbona me wu no aga tere action point we ale be nyanga jiro no de ka fere mota ape bo le play me watando be da say to number o hele screen e di ale be nanyi be babia de la sio alo nya no me pepe de un de la sio be wona mi anofie wana mi anya action
Yo boss.
Le Ghana Godo, we have Shatawale, Stoneboy, Kenny, Mr. Do, Medical, so. Then you be more papa vabe, which you be open our hajiji, you have concert, le amugano tome, a hajila kito de mekawe ususube yatan wado peli le concert alo ya yobo no baji apede wole program kibiji.
Okay. Agora me mo piti Onyamegan. But before I think me definitely okay.
Like artists can talk with them because you be favorite.
Ma bebe ende kalo nyebe. Anya me say me favorite. Oh,
but you have to choose one. You know
yeah, deve.
In the Saturday, my time for
yeah.
Everything out there, at least, yeah. That you mean na choose alone.
Okay. I'm gonna go do be favorite like again. Then nyocho America gbola. Ma hoe.
Okay.
Ne nyenga twa me bubu bochela. E me no chope o. Na me se nyi de kalefi. E se nyi bubu le fi. Nyi bubu le fi ke me kopete kokpe ke afuma la ke nche me koto nyele me.
All right.
Ta ma gbobe obetia Onyamenyo ya o la gbaje eke me wish be ma zo do me to de ka.
Okay.
Ta me lo pa photo fe to de ka de ke nyi to la me to ta ma gbobe avo amega edem
a photo fe ki to nyi to. I like that very comment.
A photo nyi to me le to.
Ta
gbobe amega nyi edem.
Edem. I be Edem. If you try to Edem short.
Yeah,
go get it.
Go get them. The boss.
Look how I like you them.
Wa gbobe en de ka de ke me like led nya fufu edem. En ade ke ne mi te be se edem no gbolom.
Okay.
Benya me de ike musian we kele music gender men akwele me.
Okay.
Nketa me gbonya be ata o hip hop. Ata o reggae. Ata o afrobeat.
Okay.
Ata o amapiano. Ata o rap. Americano. So ne me na mfu me kwebe no. Ahede ala nuna de la Miami.
Okay.
Ya de ka. No ite fomo betela. Perfect.
All right.
Enya no siam le mo betime. No rap for that na be rap pai.
Okay.
No G hip hop for that na oh e be hip hop artist ba menye ni mai.
Okay.
No nai. Ke enya me de ke train roku. Tai ya nma ja takula me enye like enya me banto e kan me kele me follow na ike me wish be mazu amedele kele nenema ata won sian ta edem la me gbona be always me gbona be amefepe yakọ me pole kan music industry me le Ghana ike nma pitele me ame gbanto yen dem evele anya Samini say start from her life.
Okay.
As Batman.
Samini
and Edem. I'm not from Moyala.
No.
Me believe
I want these people to get this very well. You know, you mean in Ghana in that music industry.
Ghana industry. Any melebolo. Ghana industry apeti.
The only two artists that in the industry.
All the genres you can find it in them.
Samini and Edem.
That's all. Those people, those two. Oh, those two.
Samini, they are even wherever you are doing the listening this morning. Charlie. Big shout out going out to you. Actually, this one is coming from DJ Pressure, Impact TV, and also Action Boy. So, Charlie, I hear them. I know them. Hakai, what I'm not freestyle. I know Hakai like who.
Okay. See if you are not me the horse in the street edge. Whenever you ta, na boya jepo.
Okay.
Mr. Tema. Tanto Benka. Number 4. Dikanya.
Okay.
Lamoji. Numadu Onyayon, Bamato, Amawo, Lefupam, Abatoko, Lasting, Bekoba, Denaje, Babuye, we the was for a two, okay, a two, we the was
for a two. Funny, yeah, I like a focus you. I really like that. Efukoju wajedo, you play
Batokoji, doctor.
Dokita do for your
Di kana kulo.
I don't challenge.
How I forget. My phone na hamale. Nukula me habibu nya.
Nukula me habibu.
Fokoju nukula. Me le sepiti na me padiala. Obe ebe igale si time buna madeko. Na ke koko bali. So change le bo.
Okay, ne mi abe mi ato alo mi anokito na yebe alome vide nya le osiko anu enye amedeke ba down for dem me galio. Me de kuku troji me. Yo Fokoju be bo are.
Jore juwe.
Ma ba wa me de kuku.
Yeah,
troji me. Enga TV ya ole entertainment wana ji ale action boy. Yeah, like on the recording home, Kemile, action. You know, there are a lot of people doing the listening right now and watching you as well. So maybe I made it that nothing can be how well I download audio social media, audio my TikTok, Flickr, Zeno, whatever, wherever the person will get a song. But I know the social media handles.
Okay, I go be Bama Dapene. Venyimba TV. Bedo ganke won la. Edeve double.
Okay.
We cross band bisokata. Me dakpene.
Of course.
Dotato.
Okay.
Bra me sia me kele do le Venyimba TV. Venyimba TV ever be an 9 tegbe. La me dakpene. Obo be nyepe hala ele social media platform.
Okay.
Ele audio mark.
Okay.
Ne audio mark la aponye halafuma.
Okay.
Ne de YouTube aponye halafuma Action Boy. So ne yiwa ne audio mark wa ngolo Action Boy. Action la nye ACTION. Then the boy la me ngula be like Stone Boy ngolo fe Stone Boy BWOY.
La venye kwa remote.
La BWOY. Ko aponye be hale audio mark Action Boy. Apo ha opitira fuma. Ega YouTube hala ngolo Action Boy. Action ena space ko ngolo boy BWOY. Ko apo nyepe ha wa fuma apo. Nega chole fuma aide SoundCloud. Ngolo Action Boy. Ko ala poge na afuma. Nyepe social media handles so ha.
Okay.
Facebook Action Boy. Na ngolo Action Boy ko ngolo one name ngolo WAN.
Okay.
Facebook IG Action Boy _1. Then TikTok Action Boy. Then Action Boy ko anyapoga afuma.
Action. You know, are you single or you are married?
I'm not married.
Oh no. You are a big money. You are a musician as well. You know,
okay.
That by this time, you know. Oh
yeah.
Yes.
Your birthday probably next month.
Okay.
24th December is my birthday. That's Christmas Day.
Okay.
So everybody, December.
24th. Okay.
December is my birthday. So I'm inviting everyone. Many are like go do me ham, ya poleke me away.
All right.
So I'm single. No. Because meto febla vejia. Me na da febla voine. Okay, my brother, February 24.
Okay.
I'll be 24 next month.
Okay.
By God's grace. Like here I'm going music and climb the ladder finish. So the podo responsibility man had.
The me agbolbe ule susube nenye be ifodo idokude soro de bakpaji alo ma wanu kito menye enyenu manchegajo atangbenu le be hapapa nwa
nyate fe because la hajiji la menye nele wo menye fia be we de kakoyo amusugbo.
Okay.
Ta ka fie di be mo kwa me fe ngane no jiu ta ne kronyonya lokonyonya de susumela adefuno.
Okay.
Adefuno ta enna bela me ko be focus abajo. Okay. Focus abajo le hajiji because ele bi bla me ha Samson okolonyon nai.
Okay. Okay.
Ena be bobole no nulo. Okay. Na ponyo nu ogbonala hani
into bracket. Don't do.
Oh you okay. Oh you sorry.
Yes. Tamia no. Don't do. Before you do.
Atan yo konkulo atan Yeah, ka kemenye be na kwa too much. Aba agbele we career do.
Okay.
Ta ye na ta. Ne ma odi nye mi ache kaka mi do pe bla to mo mo kwa. Mo pa me ko mi ache mi ade so.
Ape.
I'm a single.
You are single.
You
are single and free.
Free. I can attack friend plan mo fan.
Okay.
Well free for friendship.
Okay. I'm a teacher odolobe enu mo be ba choy feel.
Oh, me feel.
Lo be hajiji beno no me. The be kainye the fake he wan no be na be do feel la. I'm a see me action boy. You for be fan base. Yes. The be do it to kai.
Yeah, my brother the biggest fan base are hello. Who tarry here?
No.
Capital.
O chineni dongo be itwa gotine.
Yeah. Really true.
Ya leke wabo be fan base vale ho.
Wangro be be twa gotime. Vonye pe agbeno no apaganto la e ho me no.
Okay.
E ho me no. Wangro be me no ho no school dem ba do class 1. Ya me joy there agotime. Abeba no nye pe grand popigbo. Ta afama ba no kaka wa do class 6.
Okay.
Ta ba no fama almost 6 years. Ta wa do class 6 la. Ta ma bo ma glo be nya te peme la agotime fuma le nko action boy dole.
Agotime
Ya
action boy dole.
Ya me ga botro ba ku.
Okay.
Ta be nya ntonye konkon. Enye Fortune Amuzu. Yeah.
Fortune Amuzu.
Na mo menya onye konkon Fortune Amuzu. Sai ne menya Amuzu. So ya konkon tonye Fortune.
All right.
Fortune like Fortune rice. Yeah. Have you know?
So if ever go Fortune. Charlie then this one.
So the Fortune Rice Company, Charlie. Shout out.
Fortune Rice Company, you know. Christmas is here, so
yeah.
you have to do the do. You have to give everything back to
yeah, I do know.
I understand what I'm saying. So actually, Doka Ogaona, apart from Hajiji, Doka Ogaona, Kenya Dola.
Okay, I'll go very more. I'm planning to further my education. Okay, my the school the DG. So I'm planning be more my media. Yeah, I know general art, so okay. I have that talent too. So I'm planning to see if I will enter that food. Yeah. Okay. I'm back. I'm going to I'm from Agotime. Agotime Kente. Yeah. So me supply now.
You know the way charity begins at home.
And you know what? Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to Kente la. Ni supply ni.
Okay.
No nye woni. Tamele kwa kwede no every day.
Oh, no na Kente.
No, air supply na Kente.
Okay, air supply.
Yes. Wa nyento menya no.
Okay.
Oh, nyento menya Kente no.
Yeah. So let's say Mr. Christian, the manager of Embassy.
Okay. Oh, me la fela. Ma weni.
My birthday is coming.
Oh, okay. Come on, we haven't ready no
okay. So
can you do mom we can to menya Kente. Okay. Kafi no ya supply neta. Okay. Do mami una. Okay. Kafi me like niga jana monu le market.
Okay. Jana monu le market.
Nonye. Nye moda tama ko be nonye mele nonye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how.
Okay. Okay. So miaba nukola okale Epaimba TV koko alebe entertainment wana yanye wana hele do le Epaimba TV abele keba gbele jongo ejena gome le indi gawo le memida sia memida cho gawo indi gawo wasere indi gawi de kenye ameke he no na tadne wana nkonye yanye wisdom kekele du Valentine Kofi Ayite let is now talk yon ku le DJ pressure na to no be ultimate supremacy DJ ultimate supremacy DJ egbe moniko so mi ase alebe mi ho mi abe hachilaga de polyhome Fortune Amuzu aka alo stage name Action Boy. Yes, Action Boy. Elle mi agbole polyhome alebe mi le echedodo wo me bia dogede me karaji be we ntonto kele mi akpokache o se alebe nenyebe o mesendemo. Yes, nenyebe o mesendemo alo odibe Action Boy. Mega chijo menyabe wano jitibe o mejibe pariki la never jihana le nyebe wedding ne jihana le nyebe Christmas yes menya da bojedan mana wa da be ka fo yesidan kele fikito mi atofwe akedem bojedan we jicha ba bojedan alebe Action Boy
You
know Christmas is coming.
Yes, please.
Mi apete mi ano jijo po be Christmas bona got to me. Like no the car came on be is +1 minus
minus 1. Minus
is
1.
+1 minus 1. Now you be work of a blah FA. Now you be a alafacto. You want not be fair kui.
The level
the car to yes, the car that's what we don't know. It's +1 minus 1 in case you don't know. Yes. So I'm telling you today, you watching me in your various home. Yes. Well, making you call like a hell of me. Maybe the main argument now is +1 minus 1. O call the cat pay, I got the calibre. Then you may have a alafacto, I want to prepare cool, you have a king, I won't get in another. I come here before. That time I saw the Miabe, you know, I can't go to a driver was me, because driver auto call every day. Yeah, Miabe to go, you know, this time around, and you be. Couldn't never to go. You know, I've been no make a valid no Belacamia to go, not Betayatano to Fico. I make a very talk a balafé, what a shop, over the Nakon was in into a jar. Drive out, come to go, you two, a pay Yazoringo day.
Bagobe, Epeduea doiki, let's tell him who get to the car. Ta, met the cuckoo, name your pay, Enkyo, Chupepio, Icobuna bear, Piedota. You are drag bear. I walk hanya moto kuvio, but the cuckoo no. I get a kakwe, ne bui kwa bui, tamba the cuckoo, Pame Same, no body like December yame. Because over December, never now walk a budu. Okay. I don't fear line, what I be a chuku, a book, tamba the cuckoo, I'm a Sam and then love Bennett, then let Bennett creep. No one way, the Nakata, Christmas, Yamia Dri, the shop of woman. Event in the Siade, Eco or Gekwa, Anya, the cow, Pazan wall. Birthday they get together yo and available. Okay. Nyakatanya do.
Sirikaka pemia jo obey couple just play fiki o mega ko how le care download. I mean the social media handles.
Yes. Okay. Agobe mi akpo nye pe how le social media platform. Okay. Abe audio mark. Okay. Le audio mark. Ya ko type action space boy. Action boy. The action na enye ACTION. Okay. Yeah, normal action. Below action. Yeah, boy la BWOY. Okay. Yeah. Okay. A point for audio mark. YouTube. Still, my name is still the Action Boy. Or everywhere, Action Boy. TikTok, Action Boy. Follow me. I'll follow you back. Then yeah, chat. Yeah, my brother. Ne as I do la mesi. I'm the CEO. Unkayo. Nchoko mecho atipoku. Bedo be atipoku talk ata. I'm very me. Ta ne ohanjibe mafan ipa menye ngande keyo we are yomku ala we are chat nku ni agbele anye pe kapomo nye 0550 463514 okay maga yake 0550 463514 okay
miaba nukola Efa TV ya ole alebe entertainment ona ya idogo eno na ji be sia memi da sia memi da cho ndi ga wo basere de ga wi de ke le fila sia fila cho fien ga ni basere fien ga sike Soundwaves, yes, Soundwaves for na adogo ke enyamiri hano tadere wana kemito buje nkonye yanye wisdom kekere du fana ka kuvia de DJ pressure the ultimate supremacy ape memi no mia do lego tama ojodo dalem bye bye.
America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. Very nice. Oh. Evina Malaysia, look at us from Amanunyamudi. Amano Magbo photo Banamolo, Daniel from Makpo, Yakubana and Maono no Galo.
Alele Daniel from Makpo, Yakugana and Maono no gay.
Evina Malaysia, look at us from Amanunyamudi. Amano Magbo photo